Hello, Matt here. Well, I don't know what to tell you. Another weekend, Sunday to be exact, another crappy day, and another bunch of hours lost working on this car. Well, first things first, look what I have. Didn't even need to weld it. I managed to, well, remove the exhaust and hammer it in, and it's out. Which means we'll get to use our strange contraption and try to get the oil into the car. Now, you shouldn't be putting oil in the car when it's like this. But hey, we'll overfill it probably. And then once it gets warm, once we get the car running, we'll let the excess oil go out. And that should be it. As I said, not how you should do it. Don't do it. That's how we'll do it. Talking about strange contraption, here it is. Also, here's a cat. Cat, leave the camera alone. Well, it's a can with a hose and the tire valve. Cat, leave me alone. On which we can connect the pump, pressurize it, and then that should make oil flow into the gearbox. If I don't freeze before that. Here we have it. You just have to take it slowly, not to build too much pressure and to overflow the tank, but it does work. And that's first 3 liters. As you can see, it kind of worked. Okay, we have it, some of it here, but yeah, let's go on. Works. Let's go. Stani. Ito. Domen extra pissuja. Alright, now the oil is in the gearbox. And I also made a mount for the middle of the exhaust. The one that was broken, and yeah, now the pipes fit exactly the way they should. Really happy with how this looks. Now, yeah, one more thing. Coolant. This routing we designed, not really a good solution because there is a thermostat in the gearbox oil cooler, which means I don't have enough flow until it gets hot. It means it's hard to fill up the coolant, and yeah, I don't want it to be blocked until it's hot. So the solution we will do is take out the thermostat, drill a small hole on it, so there is always a bit of flow. Is it the perfect solution? No, but yeah, there will be flow through the heat exchanger even when it's cold. That doesn't bug me that much, but when it's hot, the thermostat will open, and then we will have enough flow to, well, cool it down as it should be cooled down. So yeah, it's not perfect. On the cold days it will take a bit longer for the gearbox to heat up, but it's just like fractional. And as I said, I want to have the flow all the time. So now we'll do that. So this is the heat exchanger, this is the thermostat spring, and all the other things. And this is the part that makes thermostat close completely. So what we'll do is drill a small hole, maybe two, right around here. So yeah, this is the water line. This is the oil line. The oil line is sealed completely here. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's sealed completely here. But yeah, this then goes in like this, and there's a spring in there. And I don't actually know how this works. Something does expand, that's for sure. Because there goes the spring, and then this goes in, holding it from inside here. And there's a clip that holds it in place. So something here must give. This is the water line. This is the one I'm interested in. And I simply want to make it flow all the way. So yeah. Alright, now we have two small holes, which should, when aligned like this, damn it, again, aligning this is pretty damn hard. Now this is in, we'll put in the spring, which will actually cover a lot of the flow. Maybe I should put the 4 holes in, but whatever. We'll press this in, put the retainer clip, god damn it. That's it. Now there should be enough water flow for, well, water to flow constantly. Let's assemble it and check it out.
The fuck?
Yeah, we're trying to put in some pressure to get the coolant into the system. Yeah, as you can see, we like DIYing the shit out of stuff. And also those 2 holes I showed you, obvious to work, because we couldn't get the coolant in before. And as you can see, now it goes in. Slowly, but surely. And don't call me Shirley. Okay, so one thing I almost forgot is the oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure valve. This shit goes down here. Hopefully I can get to it. Okay, let's just try and change it. Coolant is in, oil is in, gearbox oil is in, diff oil is in. We change this, we try to start it. Hey, guess what? Everything is done. This means we're trying to start the car. There's still a bunch of faults in there. Anyways, after those, let's try and start the car. Alright, the moment of truth. Unfortunately, I forgot to unwind the screw that keeps the gearbox in neutral, but hopefully it will start either way. I mean, there's an intake missing, yeah, other things missing. But let's just hear it, what goes on, and then we'll say if we're good to go or not. Oh yeah, we should connect the battery. There, hold on. Well, now let's hear it. Okay, that's not good.
broken.
God damn you, car. This sounds like a freaking broken starter. Doesn't even want to spin the motor. Now, we've spinned the gearbox. We've tried spinning the motors. We've tried spinning the motor a bunch of times. So there's nothing that's like seized. So why the hell the starter doesn't want to start? I don't know. But again, another weekend and I'm freezing and I really hope this will work. Looks like another weekend of not starting the car. Now I'll connect it to the diagnostic tools and see what it says, because it said ignition starter motor fault, something like that. Let me show you. So yeah, to me this sounds like starter motor is actually turning, but not flipping over to the flywheel or to the flex plate. So yeah, god damn it, that means we have to take off a bunch of stuff like intake manifold, and this means I'm done with this shit. If the intake manifold goes off, port injection goes on. I'm not taking this apart for no reason. But anyways, as I said, I'm freaking freezing. I'm done. I can't work on this car anymore. I'm pushing it back into the garage. It's not a hurry anymore. I'll explain why in the next video. But for now, this is it. I'm done. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. And anyways, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.